Gold ended the month of June on a flat note from where it is started, precisely close to 23-27 levels. Now, can we expect it to fly high in the month of July? Or this is a sign of reversal and we can expect a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the month of July and in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. And if you're new to the channel, do watch the twice a day updates and targets with clarity, with precision. I share first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, so that you can trade profitably throughout. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the monthly charts. If you look at the monthly charts, see, this was the first rise after a series of bearish candles. We have seen it retesting the 20 period moving average, then the second rise, and then a slight retracement. After this, it has formed a very good support close to 2000 levels, and since then we have seen it flying high. Now just observe the last three candles here. You can find here it was outside Bollinger Band, so you've seen the price is getting a push on the from the top, and we have seen it closing towards the opening level. Then also the next candle was similar. We have seen it getting a push on the downside, and then the current candle has formed a doji. A doji is a candle of indecision, that neither the prices were trading bullish and nor it is willing to drop as well. Now if you look at the formation as well, higher lows are seen here and lower highs are seen. Consolidation candle is what you can say. The next observation is the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are sitting at around 2050 and 2000 levels. Yes, this is a far below levels. The more it diverges, the chances of conversion increases high. Now look at the formation for last few years. You will find the rise, the retracement, and then this rise. This is a multi-year breakout which gold is going through right now. Now, does this mean that it is going to continue? See, it may continue, but it has to retrace a little before flying again. So, can we expect this retracement? Let's have a further detail look. See, moving averages are looking upwards and are trading with divergence, signs of bullishness. If you look at a stochastic, this is also trading near to the top. And if you look at the face of this, you can find out it is trying to look downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. Now coming to MACD, this is most important. If you look at MACD, just watch my year beginning review. I have very clearly mentioned that in 2024 we are looking forward to 2400. See the crossover here, and that is where we have mentioned that it has crossed over, and this crossover and bullishness may continue for a while. The same has prevailed so far and it is still looking upwards. Continue to trade with the divergence. Now let's have a look, and closely if you see that you will find too much of divergence and almost a flat note. So possibility of convergence, what has happened here, what has happened here can replicate here as well, which suggests that possibly the couple of months might be of retracement. RSI is also entered into overbought zone, but it is not that it cannot sustain such overbought levels. Let's have a further look with the weekly. On the weekly charts, you can find out the lows are beautifully aligned with this trend line. Yet again, we have seen gold reversing from the same zone. Thus, in the coming week and in the month of June, there are a couple of key levels. First is 2290, 2280 zone, and next is 2260, 2240 zone. These two levels are going to be of prime importance. If you look at the divergence of the price, it is consolidating here. It is waiting for the moving averages to climb up. It may take the support and then bounce back. This is what it is trying to do. Now look at last few weeks. The rise, retracement, higher highs, retracement, and higher lows it is forming. Now what has happened since then? Three bearish candles, then a bounce back, then a swing, and then again a swing with lower highs, lower lows. What has happened in the last week? Lower highs, lower lows were formed, and it suggests that this could be the stepping stone for bullishness, but it has to break past the critical levels on the upside at 2365, 2380, and 2400. If you see gold breaking these levels in the coming week, consider that we are looking forward to bullishness in the month of July, where we can look forward to a sharper rise. But right now I can say that it is indecisive. As long as it stays between the zone it is still indecisive and it is still going to be premature to say that whether a rally or a crash is awaited here. But look at the stochastic on the weekly chart. See, it has hit oversold levels and it is now looking upward. This is another sign that a reversal and a rise can be expected. But if you see the MACD, see, these are two contradictory indications. This is oversold, this is overbought. Let me show you on MACD. See, it has crossed over. If you look at the formation here, see, first wave, then I will say second wave, and now it is beginning the red side or the bearish part of this third wave. If you look at the formation where it is coming from, the crossover is coming from an extremely higher levels, and this is a multi-year high which gold has seen. After this, we have seen it trading bearish. Also, this is still trading with divergence, and this is just 3 candles away. So a possibility for gold to trade bearish or trade in range for the next coming week is also there. But if you look at these two simultaneously, you will find the stochastic has a push on the upside. The MACD is looking forward to a drop here. We have to wait. We have to see which direction it adopts. The chances of a range bound movement is also there, but we have to stick to the levels. Any breakout beyond 2360-65 will be a good sign with that the bulls are taking over, and a drop below 2280-90 will be a sign that the bears are taking over. RSI has come out of the overbought zone and it is right now almost flattened here. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, see, moving averages have come towards conversion and on the verge of a crossover. These have not yet crossed over. If you look at the formation here, this was the sharp bearishness retracement, then sharp bearishness retracement, then bearishness, then retracement. Now, very clear that this is consolidating with higher lows, lower highs. What has happened on the last trading session, as I have mentioned, as I have predicted in my daily updates, that as long as 2340-41.5 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Precisely hitting 2340, we have seen it reversing. And if you look at where it is closed on a doji. This is also indication that prices neither stayed bullish nor were willing to drop. Another sign that it is consolidating, you can see this move. Now coming week is going to be important because possibly the direction it takes might remain the direction for next few weeks as well. If you look at on the daily charts, it is finding the support here, and if you see it is staying on the daily levels beyond 2340, we can say that we can look forward to 2355, 52 as the first, and then 2365 as the second. If gold trades beyond 2365, what we should treat this as, this is a nice flag formation, and if it breaks out, it is going to be a rally, and thus we have to wait if it breaks on the upside. If you look at the formation here, see the rise, and this is a nice flag which is forming. Also, if you connect the dots here, you just connect this, you will find that on the long term, on the daily basis, the lows are far below towards 2150 levels, 2200 levels on the daily charts. And thus, if it breaks on the downside, we have to be watchful here. 2290, 2280 is going to be first support zone. 2240, 2250 is going to be the next. Below 2240, 2250, we can say that we might be seeing 2200 and 2180 levels as well. But let's have a further look. See, stochastic on the daily charts have hit the bottom and it is rising. Now see what has happened here. It is looking upwards. It is showing signs of bullishness. If you look at the MACD has also, see, first wave, second wave, and it is on the verge of a crossover, which is again signs of a reversal. So it appears that gold has consolidated. It appears that the rise can be seen in the next few sessions. The RSI is comfortable. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch where you get to learn all the tricks, tips, trade setups, and the trading strategies so that you can trade profitably. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram in order to get your queries resolved related to the services. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into buying levels. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade safe secure, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description here. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 23.32 in the coming week. But remember, uh, the levels here are applicable not only for the week but for the month as well. 23.32, good resistance here. Then we can look forward to 23.38.40 levels, the next resistance. If it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to 23.48, 23.55. And then beyond this is where the most important zone will come into picture, 23.62, 23.65. Any breakout beyond 23.65 is a sign that the bulls are taking over here, and we can look forward to a sharp rise. How high? I will look forward to 23.78, 23.96, and then beyond 23.96 we will look forward for gold to move towards the double top levels, that is towards 24.20 and 24.46. If it breaks this, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 2500 very very soon. Remember, these are markets. You have to keep a note and track of all the levels, because once it goes bullish, the momentum increases, and when it is in momentum, you should notice that you should not go against the trend. Thus, it is very very important for the coming week and for the month for gold to break beyond these levels. These are critical levels here on the upside, and if it breaks this, certainly the bullishness is going to prevail. On the downside, where to sell? Now see, we have seen the gold creating a doji, but the signs of bearishness are not very much there. Thus, you can sell here at 23.18, but then you have to be very cautious at around 23.10 levels, 23.10, 23.08 levels. Very, very good support is seen here. If it breaks below this, you can look forward to 22.98. Very good support around this zone, 22.98. I will say 22.98, 22.90 levels, the next support levels here. Be very much watchful at around these levels. When I say around, you have to keep a little cushion. The levels are support levels, but again, plus minus a few pips, you should not ignore. Below 22.90, I will look forward to 22.78. And once gold drops below 22.78, remember, a sharper fall is awaited here. We can look forward to 22.60, 22.45, and then 22.24, below which you can expect a sharper drop awaits, and we can look forward to 21.80 levels as well. But we have to be careful. The signs are not very much in support of such a sharp drop. In the coming week, specifically for next few sessions, maybe coming week or till next midweek, the chances of it trading with moderate bullishness exists strong. We have to be careful. And on the upside, we know that the resistances are strong as well. So you need to be trading with caution, specifically on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a profitable month of July ahead. Thank you.